All right, so just all packed up, getting ready to head over to my buddy's Brett's house. We're gonna pick him up, and I'm gonna head down. We're heading down to the Shawangunk Mountains for a week of climbing, some mountain biking, and in general just exploring. We'll see what the weather brings and what else, but it looks like we're gonna be pretty stable. So should be a good trip, and hopefully I'll get some real good video for you guys. So in the back of the truck here, kind of shake out of my summer camping trip in the large Pelican case. I have all my overnight stuff. I don't have my cap yet. That should be coming in shortly. Metal box is my kitchen box. Coolers, well, you know what those are. Got my climbing stuff, some chairs. We're gonna see how much more crap we can pile in here. On the back seat, we're gonna be putting our mountain bikes. And that should be it. Should be a good trip. We don't have any real plans, so we'll see where the week takes us. Well, on the road, heading over to Brett's house to pick him up. We're gonna make a couple stops before we can actually officially get on the road, but that's just the way it is. It's really nice. I'm looking forward to this, to an actual vacation. It should be a good time climbing and just a good time exploring the Catskills and the surrounding area. So. Bam, made it to the American Alpine Club campground here in Shawangunk Mountains. Somehow that's supposedly a 4-tent site up there, but yeah, plenty of room. We just barely got our two hubba hubbas in there, so the sites are kind of small. But we're going to, it just had a rainstorm blow through, so we're gonna go mountain biking. I want me to go first.
You want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Yeah, go for it.
You don't have to look at your ass. I don't want to dismount to cross the bridge. Bullshit. Ooh, a lot of rhythm there. That's kind of cool.
Right or left?
Like a good couple-hour ride. Grab me a Ziploc bag out of, I can't remember where we put all the extras. I should have looked at these potatoes better. That one's kind of spongy. Give it a go here. This is a pseudo new attempt at French fries. So,
see how it goes.
It's probably pretty hard to screw up potato, but you know.
Fried potatoes?
Yeah. I could over fry them, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so we'll throw the potatoes in here. This one I got actually from another YouTube guy, Fire to Fork.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I've always just screwed it up because I always burn the oil and then forget. And then burn myself putting them in. And he said, yeah, just throw them in there and then just when they start getting brown.
Put it in cold.
Yeah, and then just heat them up.
In there, yeah.
I was like, oh, that seems way easier. Yeah. So we'll see. Yeah, maybe it's just a magic of the television there. And we're gonna have like wicked weird potatoes.
We'll find out.
Mm-hmm. It's okay. We got steak, so it's hard to get. Let's put the rest of the oil in there. Right. Jesus, that's a lot of French fries. But again, something that doesn't get said. I wish we had too many. We have too many fries.
Says nobody.
There we go. Alright, so we'll let that go for a little bit. Alright, the steak's going to be next, but I think it might take a little longer. So I'll get those, I'll start prepping them, and then we can move on. Yeah. Oil's ripping right along. This might be a good meal.
I think it's going to be awesome.
Anything's better than eating.
Can't go wrong with steak and potatoes.
No, you can't.
Starting to melt yet?
Oh,
We're starting to boil.
yeah. Well, looks like they're frying. So we'll see.
Taters.
I'll put the steak on now. Yep.
What do we got for steaks?
New York strips.
New York strips.
Mm-hmm. Montreal seasoning, because, I don't know, it works and it tastes really good.
Hard to go wrong with that. Mm-hmm.
Happy we haven't caught anything on fire.
Well, the night is young.
Yeah, that is young.
So as long as this doesn't boil over, I think we're in good shape. But
Yep.
I think there's a slight possibility of that happening.
Potential, yeah. We just keep it close, that's all. Luckily, I don't have a fire extinguisher and everything's really dry. So.
We need smell-o-vision. It's amazing.
Damn. New York strip and French fries. That's how you cook a meal for camping. Oh, and lots of beer, that helps.
What's the point of that?
This guy.
Oh.
Oh, sound cool, the papers. Had a good day, man.
Oh, it's fun. Just getting away. Is that on time lapse or?